In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change country location on Opera GX VPN. Opera GX includes a built-in VPN that lets you browse through different virtual locations without needing additional software. If you'd like to change the VPN location for privacy, testing websites, or accessing region-specific content that's available through the VPN, the process is straightforward. In this video, I'll walk you through how to enable the VPN and switch to a different available location in Opera GX. To get started, open Opera GX on your computer and navigate to the Settings page. Once you're in Settings, look at the menu on the left-hand side of the screen and find the VPN section. Click on VPN to open the browser's VPN settings. After the VPN settings page opens, you'll see a toggle switch next to Enable VPN. Simply click the toggle to turn the VPN on. Once it's enabled, Opera GX will activate its built-in VPN service. Depending on your connection, this may only take a few seconds. When the VPN is active, you'll be ready to choose a different virtual location. After enabling the VPN, return to the main browser window. Near the upper left area of the browser, beside the address bar, you'll now see the VPN button. Click on this button to open the VPN panel. This panel displays the current connection status along with the selected virtual location. Inside the VPN panel, you'll find the current location setting, which is usually set to optimal location by default. Click on Optimal Location to view the list of available VPN regions. Opera GX will display the locations that are available with the no-cost version of its built-in VPN. From the list, simply select the region you want to use. For example, if you want to browse using an Asia location, click Asia from the available options. Opera GX will automatically switch the VPN connection to that region. After a few moments, the VPN will reconnect, and your browsing session will begin using the newly selected virtual location. Keep in mind that the no-cost version of Opera GX VPN provides access only to the regions listed in the VPN menu. If you're using this version, those are the available locations you can switch between. Whenever you want to use a different region, simply open the VPN panel again and choose another available location. And that's all there is to changing the country location on Opera GX VPN. You can switch between the available VPN regions whenever you need to, directly from the browser, without leaving your current browsing session. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel,